Good day, children. Welcome to today's class. Today we will be continuing with the new chapter that we started in the last class, and we'll be doing part 2. In the last class, we started with a new chapter. And what did I ask you? That there are two villages. And what is connecting the two villages? The bridge that we saw last time. Village 1 and village 2. So what is connecting village 1 with village 2? The bridge is connecting. Same way we have some connecting words in English, and they are called as conjunctions. So today we'll be continuing with the second part of chapter number 13, conjunctions. Okay, let us have a quick recap of the chapter, what we did in the last class. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are words that join words, groups of words, or sentences together. Okay, conjunctions are the words that join words, groups of words, or sentences together. That is why conjunctions are also called as joining words in some and they are also called as connecting words. Okay, joining words or connecting words. And what are some of the conjunctions that we learned about? We learned about and as one of the conjunction, or, but, because. Sorry, or we did not do in the last class. We did and, but, because, and so. And we are going to learn or, the conjunction or, today. Okay, now, and when do we use and? We use and to join parts of sentences, list of things or objects. We use and to join parts of sentences, list of things or objects. Like Ali wants to buy a bat or and a ball. Okay, Ali wants to buy a bat and a ball, and is a conjunction used for this sentence. Next, but. When do we use but? We use but when we want to show the difference between two things, two ideas. Okay, like this boy is tall but this girl is short. Okay, we have used the conjunction but. Next, when do we use because? We use because when we want to give a reason or explain why the action was done. When we have a reason for that action. Okay. Now, for example, I left early. Why did you leave early? Why did he leave early? He left early because he was tired. He left early because he was tired. When we have a reason, what was the reason why he left early? Because he was tired. He was feeling tired. Okay, so when do we use so? We use so to show the effect of an action done. We show the effect of an action. For example, okay, he was very weak, so he cannot walk. Okay, he is very weak, so he cannot walk. Okay, now today we are going to learn about the conjunction or. Okay, we use or when we have to make a choice between two things. Okay, when do we use or? We use or when we have to make a choice between alternatives. That means we have to choose between two or three things. Okay, for example, work hard, you will fail in the exam. Work hard or you will fail in the exam. Mama tells you, no, work hard, study, or you will fail in the exam. So you have to choose whether you want to work hard or whether you want to fail in the exam. What you want to do? Yes, you want to work hard. Or what will happen? You will fail in the exam. Okay, work hard or you will fail in the exam. Is it Thursday or Friday today? Is it Thursday or Friday today? You have to choose. Yes, you are choosing whether it is Thursday or Friday. So we are using or. Do you want chocolate or strawberry ice cream. Here also you have to choose between two ice creams. So we are using or. Do you want to do you want chocolate or strawberry ice cream? So when we have to choose between two or more things, we use the conjunction or. Now let's begin the activities. We have finished till A, A and B activity we have finished. Now will begin with the C activity. Join each pair of sentences by using or. They must walk quickly. They will miss the train. Now, how will you use the conjunction or here? See the answer. They must walk quickly. The first one I am doing. They must walk quickly or they will miss the train. They must walk quickly or they will miss the train. Okay. So here you have to choose. Do you want to walk quickly or do you want to miss the train? Okay. So second one I am doing. He has to clear the mess. His master will punish him. He has to clear the mess or his master will punish him. He has to clear the mess or his master will punish him. He must start at once. He will be late. He must start at once. He will be late. What's the answer? He must start at once or he will be late. He must start at once or he will be late. Next. Will you have coffee? Will you have tea? Will you have coffee? Will you have tea? So how will you answer? You don't have to write will you have again. Okay? You don't have to. You have to just write for the first sentence. For the second sentence, you will not write. Okay? Will you have coffee or tea? Question mark. Okay? Will you have coffee or tea? Because we are asking a question. Will you have a coffee or tea? So we have used the conjunction here because you have to choose between coffee and tea. Okay. Now in the D question, circle the conjunctions. Okay, circle the conjunctions. Jai was given an ice cream because it was hot. So here the condition is because. Why was he given an ice cream? Because it was hot. We are having a reason for giving the ice cream to Jai. So Jai was given an ice cream because it was hot. Minnie turned on the tap and filled the bucket. Minnie turned on the tap and what did she do? She filled up the bucket. So and is the conjunction here. Sony drew a horse but it looked like a cow. Okay, Sony, she drew a horse but it looked like a cow. So but is the conjunction here. Okay, next you can have apples or oranges. Here you have to choose between apple and oranges. So what are we using? Or. Okay, you can have apple or oranges. It was raining, so did not go out. Okay, it was raining, so we did not go out. So is a conjunction here. Okay, join the sentences with the conjunctions and but or so because. Okay, next. First one. She is very weak. She is very weak. She cannot walk. She is very weak. The answer is she is very weak, so she cannot walk. She is very weak, so she cannot walk. So is the conjunction. I like sweets. Mohan likes noodles. I like sweets. Mohan likes noodles. Okay. How will we rewrite using the conjunction? I like sweets, but Mohan likes noodles. I like sweets, but Mohan likes noodles. Next. We went for a swim. The water was not clean. We went for a swim. The water was not clean. Answer will be we went for a swim, but the water was not clean. So the conjunction used is but. We went for a swim, but the water was not clean. Okay, next. My mother cooked noodles for me. I was hungry. Why did mother cook noodles for me? My mother cooked noodles for me because I was hungry. Because I was hungry. Fifth one. Father may be in the house. He may be in the garden. Okay. Now there are two places from which choice is there. Okay. Alternatives are there. So father may be in the house or he may be in the garden. Father may be in the house or he may be in the garden. Okay. Next. The king was rich. He was not happy. The king was rich. He was not happy. So, what will be the answer? The king was rich, but he was not happy. The king was rich, but he was not happy. I returned from school. I went to play. I returned from school and went to play. You did not write I again. I returned from school and went to play. Okay. He is free now. He is watching TV. He is free now. He is watching TV. He is free now. So he is watching TV. So the conjunction is so. He is free now. So he is watching TV. This is the effect of an action. Okay. Now next. Ninth one. He tried to open the gate. It was stuck. He tried to open the gate. It was stuck. He tried to open the gate, but it was stuck. He tried to open the gate, but it was stuck. Now, next one, 10th one. Nina took the book. She began to read. Nina took the book. She began to read. Nina took the book and she means who? Nina. So you need not write she again. Okay. Nina took the book and began to read. So and is the conjunction. She did not have next one 11th one. She did not have medicine. The medicine was bitter. She did not have medicine. Why she did not have the medicine? Because the medicine was bitter. Okay. Now, Hari is fat. His brother is thin. Hari is fat. His brother is thin. Okay. Hari is fat, but his brother is thin. Hari is fat, but his brother is thin. Okay. 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 So children, we have finished with this chapter. Practice and revise what we have done. Okay children, we have finished with this chapter. So practice for the exam. Okay, you have to practice all the exercise for the exam. See you in the next class. Till then, goodbye. Sai Ram. Thank you.